everyone, Lorianne Robinson, fashion and beauty consultant, and welcome back to the old YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a makeup product that is all over the internet. It has been all summer long, and a lot of the beauty bloggers have been talking about it. People magazine gave it an award, like best, bronzer. Allure magazine has talked about it, so I got on the bandwagon and I wanted to see what it was all about. So anyway, this is the product. It is by Physicians Formula. Now, here's the thing. I know most of you have probably walked by any of the displays of Physicians Formula in the drugstore. Yes, this is a drugstore brand. You're probably going, Physicians Formula, what is that? Is that for people with a lot of skin issues or whatever? No, it is not. And it's just the name is, I don't think it's cute as some of the names for makeup. But anyway, this butter bronzer is pretty much the bomb. And I've been using a lot of bronzers over the summer, checking them out. Some make you a little too orange, and you get sort of this like fake orangey glow. Like, remember the old-fashioned QT? Remember that? Anybody that used to get on your hands? It was that it oxidized, it got really orange. This doesn't do that. And it comes in two different color shades. I went with a little bit more of the second shade. And of course, I can't read it because I don't have my glasses. I'll put it in the comments. That's what I get for not bringing my glasses with me. Oh, it's getting harder and harder, people. So it's the second color. So it was just a little bit darker than the first. This is terrific if you have fair skin. If you have really dark skin, I'm not sure if it's going to work as well. You might need something a little bit more intense, but if you have a lighter skin, this is great. Okay, so I already unboxed it. I'm going to unbox it now because I ripped through it. As soon as I got in the car, I wanted to see what it was all about. Now, I'm going to tell you something that you might not be loving. There is a, I don't want to say fragrance, there is a scent, let's put it that way, to the butter bronzer. And it comes in this cute little case, and it's green, sort of a iridescent green and lime green. It's kind of cute. It's very tropical. And it also has two of these, it's that double pan thing. So on the first layer, you get the product, whoopsie. And on the second layer, I don't do this as well as the beauty bloggers because they're used to doing this. Well, and on the second layer, it just comes up. You get a mirror, and you get this, I don't know what you would call this. It's a little weird spongy thing. I didn't use it. I just don't know. It doesn't look like it's going to the application's going to be as nice with that. So I'm going to save that for something else. But anyway, you've got a nice full pan, and it's got these little ridges in there. But here's the thing that you want to do. This is the way I like to apply it. Either with a big brush, it depends how much area I'm going over, fluffy brushes, or a smaller, very soft, fluffy brush. Make sure that they're more on the natural bristles than synthetics, okay? Because you'll get a nice soft application. So you just go in that pan, you dip it in the pan. I always tap it off a little bit so you don't get a lot of fallout. A lot of products have a lot of fallout. So you don't want to put it on and then you see all the fallout and then you have to go back and try to get it off, and it's just a big old thing. So I like to put it, right under my cheekbone, do a little bit. I've already put some on today. And I don't have a mirror, so I'm doing this. And then I like to go up in my hairline, up around to here. And it just gives yourself a nice little glow all around here. So it's basically, you're doing that shape, sort of a crescent moon shape. And you just can blend it out. And it just gives you some extra color around there. If indeed you don't tan, which I totally get, and you just want to have a little bit of warmth to your face. You just want to look like, yeah, I'm sun-kissed. I've been out there. And also, this is, if you want to use a bit of a bigger brush, you can, any of you gals that are having the under chin, you know, not so groovy here, to camouflage that a little bit, put it right around to sharpen up that jawline. Yeah, baby. Yeah, you want to give that a sharper line. You could use a little bit of the bigger brush. And this is a trick I found out about. Take a little bit, tap it out, and under the chin, you can actually make a little upside down triangle. So the triangle will go like that, okay? So a little wider here, and then down to nothing. If you've got that little, you know, gobbly thing. But just be careful you blend it all out. You don't want a big streaky thing, okay? And then you can just blend it out onto your neck. So you always want to make sure you go over and over and over stuff. That's what takes the time. It's not the application. It's just you want to blend it out really, really well so you don't have a harsh line. But what I like about this is that it's a soft enough bronzer that it will do that very easily. Now, what I did mention about the scent that it has, if you don't love the smell of coconut, do not buy this product because it smells like coconut. Now, I'm an old Florida girl and I love the smell of coconut, so it doesn't bother me, and it dissipates after a while, okay? So it's not like you're putting, you know, slapping some perfume on your face, but it does have a scent of coconut, all right? So, you know, hence it's tropical, blah, blah, blah. But again, it's physician's formula, so it's not going to be one of those fragrances that it's going to be harmful to put on your skin because they wouldn't do that. No. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that little tip. And if you're still going for some bronzer, and it kind of keeps your, if you do have a little bit of a tan from the summer, you can kind of keep it moving forward into the early fall until it totally fades away. But it's a really good trick to use that under the jawline if your jaw isn't like what it used to be. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Any comments, nice ones, put them down below. Tell me your favorite bronzing product if you found something that you really, really love. Okay, I'd love to hear what it is, and then I can try it and I can review it. All right, talk to you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.